Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram videos or photos. That's so easy. You can download any kinds of Instagram videos or photos. And I had made some videos about how to download from Facebook on your gallery and how to download from YouTube on your gallery. You can watch that video. I will give a link in the description below. You can watch that video, and after watching that video you can download any kinds of videos from social media. When you see some videos on Instagram, Facebook or YouTube that make wonder you and you wanna download that, but you can't. After watching these three videos you can download any kinds of videos, and I'll give a link in the description below. You can watch that two videos, and I'll show you how to download Instagram videos step by step. And for downloading Instagram videos you need an application by the name of Quick Save. When you write in a Google Play, you must write like this: Fast Save for Instagram. First option, click on it and click on Fast Save for Instagram like this. When you download that name's changed will be changed on Quick Save, and just click on it. I will give a link in the description below. You can download this application from there, and just click on it. When you open that, just click on auto download and click on paste link and download, and open your Instagram. I'll put my password, and I want to download this video. Just click on three dot button in here and just click on copy link. When you click that, link will be copied on your keyboard, and just paste that link into here. Click on download. That video will be downloaded for you, and you can watch this video on your gallery. I will show you that. Yeah, you can see that video in here. Yeah, that's so important. And you can see the title of this: Quick Save 1. And I'll show you that how to download a photo from Instagram. I'll download this photo. Click on three dot. Okay, it hasn't worked. I'll download this photo. Click on copy link. When you click that, open your Quick Save application and paste that link again and click on download. Downloading is succeeded, and you can see that photo in here. Yeah, you can see that photo is in here. You can see the title of this Quick Save 2. Okay friends, you can download any kinds of videos and photos like this, but you need this application. This is so important on your mobile. Okay friends, this was today's video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please share this video with your friends on YouTube, social medias. They will love you for it, and sharing is always free. It has not cost anything. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Never miss update from the Bright Tech channel. And if you have any kinds of question or suggestion, you can write in a comment. I will answer soon for you. Okay, goodbye everybody.